the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, the king of trains and the train of kings. This is bringing train travel back to the glory days of the 1920s. You step on board with a champagne on hand, and you just feel the history and the elegance of this incredible train. It is truly a celebration of just being on the train. And we have brought it back to the heyday of train travel. As you can see with this intricate woodwork, we have Murano glass. These are our grand suites. We have several different cabin types for this. So we have our historic cabins, our suites, grand suites, and l'observatoire. So if you are looking for an absolute bucket list experience, the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express is it. They're normally overnight excursions. Our most popular is Venice to Paris, Paris to Venice. So, for example, you're staying at Venice at Belmond's Hotel Cipriani. You're picked up via boat and whisked away to the train station. And then, as the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express pulls in, everyone in the train station stands still. It is such an experience just to see this beautiful train. You get on board and then you're given champagne. You have your butler show you to your room. And then as you're leaving Venice through the canals, and then you go through Italy with the poppy flowers everywhere, you're sitting down to an incredible lunch. And then after that, you go back to your incredible room and you have high tea brought to you, and then it's time to get ready for the evening, where you'll have a five-course dinner in one of our two restaurant cars. And then after that, it is an absolute celebration. The party does not stop until the last person leaves. So we have live music, and you are meeting people that are just beyond excited to be part of this incredible experience. You'll have people that are in their 20s all the way up to their 80s, and the energy is just contagious. It is such an incredible, incredible experience to be on the Venice Simplon Orient Express.
To watch this full episode of Travel Tuesday with Teresa, click on Linktree in the bio. And don't forget to follow us on Spotify and YouTube podcasts.